Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Do you want to use Claude AI with TradingView for smarter trading? So here's the easiest way to connect them. Claude doesn't directly integrate with TradingView, but you can still use them together or connect them with a simple setup. Open TradingView and analyze your chart. Then describe your chart to Claude, such as BTC is near support, RSI is oversold, volume is increasing. What's the possible setup? Claude will give you analysis, ideas, and risk management tips. So that was method 1. Now let's move on to alerts and Claude. You can set alerts in TradingView. When an alert triggers, you can copy the alert details, paste into Claude, and ask what trade setup fits this condition. This helps you react faster. And the third method is advanced, that is connecting webhook and backend. For automation, you need a backend. Flow looks like this: TradingView, then webhook, your server, and finally Claude API. So your server sends alert data to Claude and returns a response. In TradingView alerts, you can enable webhook URL and send data to your server. And your server then calls Claude API and processes the response. Never expose your API key inside TradingView, always keep it secure on your server. And you can use Claude for trade idea, strategy explanations, risk management, and that's how you can connect Claude AI to TradingView. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.